Before you begin, remove the top cover. Wireless module. Power button board. Display panel assembly. Display panel. And left display panel hinge. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the webcam and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Carefully remove the webcam cable from the routing channel and retention tape on the display enclosure. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the webcam board and remove. Remove the webcam cable. Reverse this procedure to install the webcam cable.